Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this file. First of all, we've got some oddball shapes over here. Let's just delete them. And they want the waves to engrave, but they want the letter to cut out. So we're going to work on the wave first. And you can see it's just a line, but it's 2 millimeters. Start drawing in hairline and you'll be a lot happier. Let me back up here and I'll show you the difference. Doesn't really make too much difference in this case, but 2 millimeters is that thick, hairline is that thick. Now, when we use a Smart Fill tool, it's not going to be that big a deal. So this box is 12 inches, so we'll set our nudge factor on 13. And while we're up here, turn your duplicate distance to 0, 0, and save it as default. You'll be much happier in the long run. So we're going to take our Smart Fill tool, set on black, and fill that in and nudge it out of the way. Now what we can do is get rid of this hairline, and we can, I moved it over. Just take the wave and then do the same thing to the top. Now, if you wanted that thicker, what you could do is take the hairline and go up to Effects and Contour. Let's contour 0.02 one time to the outside with rounded corners. See, it made it that much thicker. Now we're going to go up to Object and break the contour part. Take that inner contour and delete it. Now when we Smart Fill it, look how much thicker the waves are. Now I could have gone 0.1. It's personal preference what you want it to do. I think it's going to be fine if we just leave it like we had it. Let me go forward. There's our graphic. So make sure you delete these lines. The Smart Fill fills it in, but it still leaves that line. And then just do the same to the top. Take your Smart Fill tool, fill that in, nudge it over, get rid of that, just hit delete and nudge this back. Now the letters, you can't tell how thick they are, so we'll go to Object and convert them to a curve. As soon as we do that, we can see it's a hairline, which is what you need to cut. But get in the practice of making your cut lines red. Now on the outside box, it's 2 millimeters. That won't cut, so make it a hairline. Make a habit of making it red. So everything red will engrave and cut out. Everything black will engrave. So let's put a yellow box around this, I always do to check, Object, Order, back a page, and you can see there's no white, there's nothing but the hairlines, so you're ready to go. Now, I'm going to make a second video on this. I don't quite understand what he wants to do yet. He wants to cut the letters out, but he wants to fill in, which he's already done on this one. But you see you've got 2 different colors. So stay tuned for part 2 on this and we'll tackle this one. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.